Calculate the standard heat of formation of solid tungsten trioxide from solid tungsten and oxygen gas at 25 degrees centigrade, that is 298 Kelvin, and 1 atm pressure from the following data. Okay, this following data is given at 1 atm pressure and 25 degrees centigrade, and we have to calculate a standard heat of formation of solid tungsten trioxide. Okay, so we can just write the equation for that. That will be tungsten solid plus oxygen gas forming WO3, okay, solid. And if we want to balance, then this will be 3/2 O2. This is the required reaction we have, and we have to calculate the delta H naught of that at 298 Kelvin. Okay, we have given these three reactions. Okay, suppose this is the 1, this is the 2, and this is the 3. Our target is to derive this given reaction out of these three reactions. We have to add them or subtract them, whatever we want to do, but make sure that while adding, all the other intermediate terms like tungsten dioxide, W3O8, all should be cancelled, and you should get this final reaction. Here it's WO2 and here it is 3WO2. So to cancel this while adding, we have to multiply equation 1 with 3. So what we'll do, we'll multiply equation 1 with 3. Okay, that is equation 1 with 3. We are getting this. That is 1 dash. Now keep equation 2 as it is. Keep equation 2 as it is. Keep equation 3 as it is. Okay, now we'll put the value of the delta H naught. If you are multiplying this with 3, then delta H naught, since it is extensive property, this will also get multiplied. So it will be now 134 into 3 kilocalorie. We are keeping this equation as it is, so it will be same, minus 131.5 kilocalorie, and this will also be the same, that is minus 66.5 kilocalorie. Now we'll add them together. So WO2 will get cancelled out, W3O8 will get cancelled out, and what we are getting finally, 3W plus 9/2 O2 equal to 3O3. So its delta H naught at 298 Kelvin will be sum of all these. So it will be, if you just multiply it, you will get 12 0 4 minus 402, okay, minus 131.5 minus 66.5 kilocalorie. Okay, so what we are getting as the total, we will simply calculate that. Okay, so by calculation it is 402 plus 131.5 plus 66.5. We are getting total of minus 600 kilocalorie. Okay, but required equation is this one, where the coefficient of tungsten is 1. Here it is the formation reaction of solid tungsten trioxide, but for standard heat of formation this must be 1 mole. So we need to divide it by 3. So we'll get W 3/2 O2 giving WO3. Then its delta H naught at 298 Kelvin will also get divided by 3, because delta H naught is extensive property. When you are dividing or multiplying, the same thing you have to do with the delta H naught also. So it will be minus 200 kilocalorie. That is the final answer. So the standard heat of formation of solid tungsten trioxide will be minus 200 kilocalorie at 25 degrees centigrade and 1 atm pressure. That's all. Thank you.